last is retentive timer. So take a new rung. So timer, RTO timer means retentive timer, also just like a T-on timer, but a retentive timer when supply goes from timer off, a retentive timer when supply goes, so timer is retain the value. Timer RTO control W and timer RTO timer base bool basic programming, and here write a timer RTO timer. Copy and paste it here. Also change timer timer RTO to paste UN bit, TT bit, and last is we can also from take bit from here, LED number 7, LED number 8, and also LED number 9. So control W and control W and finalize. So let's check of function of RTO timer. So when click on RTO timer 1 toggle bit, so sorry, we have not take a timer of example timer RTO timer preset value is 20 second, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So why we take 10,000 in timer or RTO timer? Because of RTO timer is written, because of in Studio 5000 Logic Designer is read a value of timer in millisecond. So 1 millisecond equal to 1000 millisecond, and we example we have required 20 milliseconds, so 20 seconds, so 20 into 1000 millisecond, so 10,000 millisecond means 20,000 millisecond. So click on toggle and start. We will see what happened. की जरूरत है अभी। So let's check of RTO timer. Example of RTO timer time is it's 10 seconds. So once 10, 100,000, 10,000, and accumulator value is 0. Offline. So let's check of RTO timer. So the RTO timer of delay, T on delay, RTO retentive timer, just similar a timer on. RTO timer just like a T on timer, but in RTO timer when supply is cut on uh, when start preset value on that time example supply will be cut. You can see timer accumulator value is accumulator counting is start 10, 11, 12. Observe here when timer example in RTO timer we can see here when timer is complete then enable bit and done bit is on according to T on timer. But here in timer uh, just like a T on timer. So again timer on and so first we need to reset timer on, go offline, go online. So take 20 seconds. Preset value is 20 seconds. Timer RTO timer is on. Here we easily absorb when RTO timer is running. So I cut the supply of RTO timer. On that time RTO timer accumulator value is hold, but in case of T-on timer it is not possible because it is a property of RTO timer. So click on toggle. So we can see here timer timing is start 3 4 5 seconds 6 7 8 9 10. So here easily when timer is off, RTO timer supply is off, so timer accumulator value is hold, but in case of T-on timer it is not possible. Also we discussed just I discussed. So when again timer is on, then continuous when continuous again again calculate that again start the timer of RTO. So this timer we can use in function just like when our motor is running 1 hour. After 1 hour motor is stop. Example, our motor is start running at 1 hour from start time. After 1 hour motor is stop. So again when motor is again start on, we have required to how many hour motor is start, we have required how many hour motor is run. So when again run the motor, so on that time we can use the RTO timer. So calculate the value from stop to start, stop to start, stop to start, again. And example after 10,000, after 10,000 hour we have required to reset RTO timer. So we can easily reset the RTO timer just like a T-off timer. So we easily the reset with the help using NC of RTO timer. Done with. So it is only 2 seconds. So start and 1 2, timer is reset, but done bit is already high, done bit already on. So our requirement is done bit is reset. So how to reset the done bit, because timer of T-off timer is hold. So we can take a NC. We take a NC of timer on enable bit. Yes, sorry. Yes, so when timer is complete, then bit is on, but our LED is off. Or we can use reset button for the off LED. So I hope like this video was I hope this video was helpful and you learned something new about timer in Studio 5000. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, so hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more coming update. So thank you. Have a nice day.